In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Hostinger's platform to manage your online store efficiently. Whether you're new to Hostinger or simply brushing up on some tasks, this guide will help you manage your settings and currencies with ease. Let's dive in and get started. First off, we need to head over to Hostinger's homepage. So open up your web browser and type in hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage and be greeted with an array of options designed to give you control over your hosting environment. From here, you can access various services offered by Hostinger, but today, our focus is on managing your online store. Now that you're on the home page, your next step is to navigate to the Manage Store section. On the main page, you'll find an option labeled Websites. Click on that, and it will lead you to your list of available websites. Locate the one you'd like to manage and click on the Manage Store button next to it. This button will take you directly to the management section for your specific website, allowing you to tailor your settings to better suit your needs. With the store management page now open, look towards the top of the dashboard for a Settings option. Clicking on Settings will direct you to a comprehensive list of adjustable store features. This is where you can make a range of changes to optimize how your store operates. It's important to take a moment here to explore what's available, as it's a key part of maintaining a well-functioning and adaptable e-commerce site. Next, our focus shifts to currency settings, which play a crucial role in your store's operations. Within the Settings menu, find the Store Details section and click on it to proceed. Setting the right currency is essential, especially if you are dealing with international customers. It ensures your pricing is clear and conversions are accurate. By selecting currency, you'll be able to choose the appropriate currency for your business needs, adapting it as necessary to cater to your audience. Take your time here to understand the different currency options. And remember, choosing the right currency can greatly enhance customer experience and satisfaction. And there you have it. You've just navigated through some key sections of Hostinger's platform to manage your online store settings and currency. This process helps ensure your store runs smoothly and efficiently, adapting to both your needs and those of your customers. As you become more familiar with Hostinger, don't hesitate to explore other areas of the platform. It offers a wide range of tools and options designed to help you succeed in your e-commerce ventures. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to ask questions or revisit any steps if needed, and happy hosting!